Alright, what's our video today? A rubber band, oh, 2 rubber bands and some cloth. Alright. What is next? PVC pipe, alright. Is there anything else that we need? Why? Some better. And some charcoal. Alright, so we got PVC pipe, rubber bands, cloth, charcoal. I said char cloth again.
You said cloth.
I said cloth?
You said cloth.
No, what did I say for this?
Charcoal.
Really?
You did it right, Nate. You did
No!
it. You did it right.
No, you didn't. What's up, guys? Welcome to another backyard adventure. We're finally out here. It's actually not as sunny as it was the last time we tried to make this video. The audio was horrible, but it is still nicer. It is not snowing. It snowed like 3 days ago, 1.5 inches. It was ridiculous. So we decided to go and get some more outdoor gear for future videos. Came across the Life Straw. And as much as you guys know, Life Straw is just a filtered straw. You stick it in river, whatever you want. You drink straight from it, and it filters it for you, and you should be fine. But the only problem was that it was 26 bucks. Quite frankly, I am not going to pay that much. I'd rather just suffer it the next morning. So we're going to show you how to make one for much less than that, and you can customize it to any length that you want to fit your needs. So let's get right into it. Here's what you're going to need. We got some PVC pipe. That's just what we use. I think it's what, 1/4 inch?
1/2 inch.
1/2 inch. So first things first, remember that the longer the straw, the more of the charcoal you're going to have to use. And then right here we have our charcoal. We have some straight from the campfire, which is actually a lot more convenient. It's easier, it's cheaper. But the charcoal that you can get for like your fish tank, anything like that, is just a lot easier to maintain. It is more expensive, but that's just what you're gonna have to figure out. Then we got some cloth just for putting on the Life Straw. We'll get to that in a bit. And the rubber bands, we'll also get to those in a bit. For the cloth, this is from one of our old fish tanks. You can use that. You can, if you really want to, use an old sock. That is Ryan's sock, so I'm not touching that anymore. You can use an old shirt. Honestly, some mini cloth will do, just pretty much just something to extra filtration. So if we want to, let's get start putting it together. What you're gonna want is actually you're gonna cut the cloth first. So let me see. Oh gosh, cameraman, need your hand. Thanks, bro.
Oh, don't cut the rubber band.
No. Yeah, that would be unfortunate. Okay. Ooh,
Beautiful.
that was beautiful.
All right, what's next?
How'd we do this last time? Oh yeah. Sorry. Forgot. Okay. Yep, we'll just cut it. Wow, I'm a chef for outdoor stuff. Okay, so what you want to do? Grab a rubber band. Grab your rubber band, double it over like twice. You're gonna put one piece of the cloth and the rubber band right over it. Got a good shot of that?
I did, yeah.
Perfect. Then you're gonna flip it over. Since we don't have enough to make 2 of these with both types of char cloth, I'm just gonna put it just in
Charcoal, not char cloth.
Oh my gosh. We should never have made that char cloth video. Now it's just stuck in my head. Anything is char cloth. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna start saying coal now. Just put
Okay.
your coal in here. Okay. Any one you use, make sure you just fill it all the way up to the top. Then you're just gonna want to repeat the second side. Right here. Take the rubber band. Okay, then if you want to, you can clean up the edges. It really doesn't matter at all. You're just gonna be taking this and yeah. So let's go give it a shot. Now for an ADHD break. Wow.
See, that was rock this way. All right, that was cool. Aw.
So we're back at the river. We're gonna have Ryan try it. He's been behind the camera just because he's not feeling too well lately. So we're gonna have him give it a shot and see what he thinks of it. And hopefully it doesn't kill him.
Yeah, I hope so. Here we go. I don't know, this end looks nicer. Let's
Well, tastes a lot like River, so I would say probably put more charcoal in here than we did. But yeah, I mean, yeah, it tastes a lot like River. You want to add more charcoal than we did. But when you first use it, you're going to be sucking in a lot of just dust off the charcoal. I almost said charcoal off of the charcoal. So just like rinse it, spit it out like I did. But this is our third time making the video. First two didn't turn out, so here it is. But yeah, that's making a life straw. It's super great. You never know when you'll need it, so it's pretty good to have. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.